In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon app not working. If the Patreon app is crashing, freezing, not loading properly, or refusing to sign in, don't worry. In most cases, this can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. We'll go through them one by one so you can identify the issue and get the app working again. First, check if the app needs an update. Go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Patreon. If you see an update button, install it right away. App updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility patches. So if you're using an older version, that alone may be the reason the app is not working correctly. If the app is already up to date, the next thing to try is clearing the cache. On your phone, open Settings, then go to your apps list and find Patreon. Look for the storage section and clear the temporary cache data. This helps remove leftover files that may have become corrupted over time. Keep in mind that this is different from deleting the app, and it's often a quick fix for loading or performance problems. If that still doesn't solve it, reinstall the app completely. Delete Patreon from your device, then restart your phone before downloading it again. Restarting is important because it helps clear temporary system issues in the background. After your device turns back on, install a fresh copy of the app from the official App Store. This can fix deeper issues caused by damaged app files. Another common cause is a weak or unstable internet connection. Try switching between mobile data and a strong Wi-Fi connection to test whether the problem is network related. Sometimes the app itself is fine, but it can't connect properly because of dropouts, slow speeds, or unstable service. If one connection doesn't work well, the other might. If the issue continues, there are a couple of alternative solutions. One simple option is to use a browser instead of the app. Open your phone's web browser, go to the official Patreon website and log into your account there. This is especially useful if the mobile app is having a temporary outage or service problem. And finally, if nothing has worked so far, contact Patreon support through the Patreon Support Center. At that point, the issue may be account specific or related to a larger technical problem on their side. When reaching out, it helps to describe exactly what the app is doing, such as crashing on launch, not loading posts, or failing to sign in. Those are the main ways to fix the Patreon app when it's not working. And in most cases, one of these solutions should get you back up and running.